YouTube? Check this out. My big fat head bought a brand new hat. Hoorah! Way to go, Army. Everybody, let me take the tan away from me. I bought this fancy little Army hat at the VA hospital. All you veterans out there, thank you for your service. I bought this, and check this out. Every time I go to VA hospital, I feel like I'm going to PX. Check this out. I bought myself a fancy U.S. Army wallet. I won't show you your side because there's too much numbers and shit on here. Personal information popping out, but look at that. Maybe I take this out. It's too thick. I'm gonna take that out, because it's some little card thing. But yeah, I always hate when you get a wallet and it's like too thick because there's too much shit in my wallet. So I gotta go. I transferred everything from my dying old one, which basically I bought 10 years ago maybe, to this one, and it's like I have to take it out of my pocket when I drive down to the States because it's just too long. And I also brought something else to show you in case you get thirsty. Everybody should have a little bit of liquid death. It's a can of water. It's mountain water from the Alps. So some fool got the idea to put Alp water, not Alf water, Alp water, in a can and send it over to America so we can all drink it. But it's really cool marketing because you're marketing water as liquid death when there should be like carbonated fructose sugar in here. That would be liquid death, right? So yeah, enjoy. Anyway, I thought I'd show you my cool hat. It's actually, this U.S. Army hat is one of the few hats that is big enough to fit my fat head because it's nice and stretchy. All the Carhartt hats are like super, like, it's like, so yeah, I like my hat. Hoorah! Anyway, like I said, all you veterans out there, thank you for your service. Much appreciated. And like, subscribe, and the hell with the bell. Join my channel.